Market today on a strong bullish run, and I was waiting for a small retracement before jumping in, and guess what? I took a small trade. Why? For not following my own rules. Guess what happened here? Check out the video. Hope you enjoy it. Hello everyone, welcome to Van Life Day Traders. This is Ra Saint with Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is Thursday, April 24th, 2025. It's 9:55 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And we are here trading the Nasdaq Futures June 2025 contract. We have a 15-minute chart to the left. We have a 1-hour chart to the right, and we have medium impact news at 10 in the morning. What else we have around here? No more high impact news. So obviously market has been on a bullish run since London, and I don't know how much longer they are going to keep this push. Let me see. Oh yeah, plenty of room to the upside. So we're gonna wait until 10 in the morning. Let's see if I can find a new support, resistance, target zones. And I'm gonna be looking for retracement. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a small retracement. And let's see, we have a major entry level way down here. That's done. We have a minor entry level here, which I'm gonna figure out where it could be coming up. And yeah, market really bullish. London will close in about an hour, so we might see some push to the downside just because people taking profits, but still, see, we have some room to the upside. Let's see, it's 2 minutes away. So let's see what happens at 10 in the morning. I'm more than probably going to buy. Oh, let me wait. I put here as always. Not financial advice. Okay, this is how I trade. How I analyze the market. So yeah, from level to price right now, it's 200 points. So a lot of opportunity, but a lot of risk. I'm gonna wait for a small retracement and then see if we can grab some points to the upside. You know, I like looking for 10 to 15 points. I'm gonna have to revisit my trading goals because we all know market has been so volatile that it's been giving 50, 80 points in a matter of minutes. So I might revise that. And let's see, 40 more seconds. Let me pause this, and we'll be back if market does something here. Let's wait. Let's see here. This was yesterday's. No. Yeah, this is gonna just keep on pushing it. There's a lot of risk here. I'm just gonna Give me a second. Buy stock market.
Order submitted.
Come on. Low, 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 low. Ah, crap.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm just looking for a few points here. Quickly get in, get out. I mean, at what? 60 what? $60.25. We can look here for 80. $80.25. Shouldn't have any problem market reaching that level. Here you go. Okay. Come on. I can hold. I don't have any problem. The thing is, market usually would make a retracement, so I don't want to hold this trade too long. Let's grab whatever they can give us. They shouldn't have any problem hitting that 80.25. Come on. Come on. Break even +1. Come on. I am tempted to close this trade with 20 points. But let's see. Really careful here because of what I told you. Here you come again. Nope, they're done. Okay. Bad.
Target filled.
Okay, I closed the trade. I didn't get what I was looking for. Maybe got a little greedy there. I'm still okay because, okay, here's the thing with this trade. I need to go to San Juan, and this is my excuse, okay? There's nothing, I don't have anything to do. I have to get out of here. I'm not gonna wait for market to do a retracement and then continue to the upside, or even make a retracement and then start a move to the downside. Okay, I jumped in, not per my favorite setup. Actually, this is not a setup. I mentioned before I was looking for a retracement and then a continuation. I tried jumping in, grabbing a few points with price action. It gave a few points, but not what I was looking for, and I ended up losing 8 points. So Here they go again. Like how I love that. I'm not gonna try. I was gonna enter again, but I'm not gonna do it because any minute now market could retrace, and that, I mean, that could be 100-point retracement, 150, who knows. But right now I'm just, you know what, I'm not gonna stay here waiting for a setup. Like I mentioned, I need to run some errands that I've been postponing for the last few days. So today I was like, okay, I'm not gonna trade. Anyway, there they go. Better safe than sorry. No, it's okay. NQ, buy, setup, stop. Up we have entry to at 19,060. I'm just gonna round them up. Target, stop. 2 contracts at 19,052.50. So that's 7.5 points. 7.5 points. Total trade. This is minus 7.5 points. Total trade minus 15 points, which equals negative $300. Why? ¿Por qué? Because we know market gives or takes $20 per Nasdaq point. So you can see how this could have been a disaster if I had entered and market just went against retracing. That would have been really bad. But I understood that market was gonna continue to the upside. We have that take profit level right there, and they ended up hitting it. So yeah, I'm kinda mad that I didn't hold the trade. But on the other hand, like I mentioned, market could have, because right, buying highs, it's very, very dangerous. I never buy highs hoping that it's gonna keep on going higher. At least that is my advice. Some people like buying highs and market will continue to the upside, but check this out here. We have a high at an entry level, and I mean, this could have been the situation. And of course, now we see it, so now we're like, oh well, but now we know what happened. But let me do this here. Okay, we have here a high, market hitting that major entry level. Oh, market is moving to the upside. Let's buy because market should continue to the upside. Yes, and it actually did. That was a good setup, buying the major entry level and just letting it run. But we have here market hit that level and went down up almost 100 points before starting the run again to the upside. That's what I try to avoid, and it happens. And you have seen videos sometimes that I hold the trade, and people tell me like, "Rai, you are crazy. How are you gonna recover of that loss?" Well, it's not a loss until I buy or sell. But in this specific case, I wasn't feeling that confident. I was expecting, and we mentioned it, that I was looking for a retracement before getting into a trade. This is what I was looking for. But, and it did not, it retraced just a few points, and then poof, it continued to the downside. But we don't know, in this specific candle, we don't know, we don't have resistance zones, we don't have target. The only resistance zone we have, it's way up here. Okay, way up here. And actually we have a daily resistance zone here, but I don't use those, I only use them as a reference. It came close, not even close, but it hit 107 and bounced back. So in this case I was like, well, I'm gonna get in, grab 20 points and get out easy. Price action move, it actually did, but like I mentioned, it could have been really worse. So losing 300 points ain't that bad. I'll recover that probably in the afternoon. I am not worried at all. I mean, we've been doing really great, but here is a losing trade, and you can study it and say, well, see what could go wrong if you don't follow your trading rules, which in this case I did not. And I think this is the third video posting a loss, and they all have something in common. I didn't follow my trading rules, which are wait for market to hit a, I'm gonna write them down here for you. These are my rules per my legacy futures trading strategy, okay? Wait for market to hit a, up, support, anyways, gonna do whatever support, resistance, target zone. Rule number 1, wait for market to hit support, resistance, target zone. Per my legacy futures trading strategy. I have lost thousands of trades by doing exactly what I did right now. Oh, buy a high because it's gonna keep going higher. Well, that's a 50-50 chance of that happening. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a 60-40 chance of market continuing to the upside. And sometimes market just keeps going up, and it never retraces. That happens sometimes. It's not usual, but yeah, it will happen, and that's frustrating because we never get entries. And okay, rule number 1 of my legacy futures trading strategy: wait for market to hit a support, a resistance, or a target zone. Did market hit a support, resistance, or target zone? No. So straight out of the gate, that trade was wrong. Even if it hit my take profit and I made profit, that trade was wrong. And well, as we all know, we all learn the hard way. And if we don't learn, we fall for it and we pay for it again. But I'm okay with that. Losing 15 points, it's. I mean, I don't want to minimize it. I hate losing. I don't. One of the worst things that I have to work with is losing trades, and we all know that they happen, but I don't like it. My students tell me like, Rob, but you know, you told us that you're gonna win and you're gonna lose, and if you win more than you lose, that's perfect, that's okay, that's the goal. I'm like, well, I don't like losing one single trade. So, well, yeah, that's my ranting for today. I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the video if this happened to you, you're buying highs or selling lows, if you've been burned this way. I'm sure that 99% of you guys, if you trade, you have done the same. You have been through the same, because we all have. Anyway, that's Saint. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe, share, comment. Let me know things that you want to see. And I'll see you again. If not later, I'll try to connect in the afternoon and see if I can recover this. If there's a setup, I'm not just gonna follow it. And if you want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for Van Life Day traders. You have a great one.